for by young entrepreneurs, initially started as a small home-based cookie business, sells products through the following channels: social media, local events, cafes, expanded due to growing customer demand, focuses on high-quality ingredients, customer satisfaction, product consistency, long-term business growth. Chocolate chip cookies, soft and chewy texture, rich chocolate flavor. Popular among teenagers and young adults, red velvet cookies, premium cookie product, unique red color and cocoa flavor, appealing to trendy dessert lovers. Butter cookies, traditional crispy texture, rich buttery taste, suitable for all age groups. General manager, oversees company operations and strategy. Production manager, controls production activities. Finance and accounting department, handles budgeting and cost accounting. Marketing and sales department, promotes products and maintains customer relationships. Human resources department, manages recruitment and staff training. Quality control department, ensures product quality and hygiene. Production workers, responsible for mixing, baking, and packaging processes. Step 1. Purchase raw materials: flour, butter, sugar, eggs, chocolate chips. Step 2. Quality inspection: ensure ingredients meet standards. Step 3. Mixing process: ingredients mixed according to recipes. Step 4. Baking process: dough baked using industrial ovens. Step 6. Packaging process: packed and labeled properly. Step 7. Distribution: delivered to supermarkets, cafes, and online customers. S target customer groups include students, families, office workers, CAF customers, online shoppers, holiday season buyers. Customer preferences: affordable products, high quality raw materials, attractive packaging, convenient products. Convenient food products, increased use of online shopping platforms, Shopee, TikTok Shop, Facebook, Instagram. Industry competition is based on product quality, pricing, packaging, and innovation.
Next, I will explain the costing methods applied by Crunchy Bite Co. Costing methods are very important because they help the company determine the actual cost of producing its cookies. With accurate costing information, management can set the suitable selling prices, control production costs, improve profitability, and make better business decisions. For Crunchy Bite Co., 3 costing methods are applied: job order costing, activity-based costing, or ABC, and process costing. Each method provides different insight into the production cost and helps the management evaluate the efficiency of its manufacturing operations. The first costing method is job order costing. This method calculates production cost for each specific batch or types of product. It is suitable for Crunchy Bite Co. because each cookie's flavor requires different ingredients, labor, and production processes. Based on the job summary, chocolate chip cookies have the highest production cost at 35,200 ringgit because they use premium chocolate chips and require more labor during baking and quality inspection. Butter cookies have the lowest production cost at 29,200 ringgit due to their simple recipe and lower production requirements. This costing method helps management determine accurate product cost, set appropriate selling prices, and evaluate the profitability of each cookie products. The second costing method is activity-based costing, or ABC. Unlike traditional costing method, ABC allocates manufacturing overhead based on the actual activities involved in productions. For Crunchy Bite Co., the main production activities include mixing, baking, packaging, and quality control. Among these activities, baking has the highest overhead cost because it requires continuous use of oven machinery and electricity. using ABC, the company can allocate overhead costs more accurately according to the resources consumed by each product. As a result, chocolate chip cookies receive the highest overhead allocation because they require longer baking time and more quality inspection. This allows management identify costly activities and improve production efficiency. The final costing method is process costing. This method is more suitable for companies that continuously produce large quantities of identical products. Crunchy Bite Co. manufactures cookies through a standard production process consisting of mixing, baking, cooling, and packaging. Since production is continuous, the company uses the weighted average method to calculate equivalent units and determine the average production cost per unit. Based on the calculation, the cost per pack is RM3.52 for chocolate chip cookies, RM2.92 for butter cookies, and RM3.28 for red velvet cookies. Overall, process costing enables the company to monitor the production cost more efficiently, maintain consistent product pricing, and improve operational performance, also support better managerial decision making.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Imran, and today I will present about cost calculation and product pricing for 3 cookies product: chocolate chip cookies, butter cookies, and red velvet cookies. First, the purpose of cost calculation is to find the total production cost, calculate the cost per unit, support pricing decision, and improve cost control. The production cost consists of 3 components: direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. These costs are added together to get the total production cost. Chocolate chip cookies, the total production cost is 35,200 and the cost per pack is RM3.52. This product has the highest cost because it uses premium chocolate chips and require more labor and baking activities. Butter cookies have total production cost of RM29,200 with a cost per pack of RM2.92. This is the lowest cost of product because the production process is simpler and use fewer premium ingredient. Red velvet cookies is the total production cost is RM32,800 and the cost per pack is RM3.28. The cost is moderate because it uses premium ingredients such as cocoa powder and red velvet flavoring. In conclusion, chocolate chip cookies have the highest production cost, butter cookies have the lowest cost, and red velvet cookies are in between. Cost information helps the company set selling price, control costs, and increase profitability. Next, I will pass to my friend to the next slide.
This session discusses how costing information help Managerial Accounting make better business decisions. By understanding production costs and profitability, management can improve operational performance and support long-term business growth. The 4 key areas supported by costing information are pricing decisions, cost control, profit planning, and production efficiency. This area help the company improve profitability, allocate resources efficiently, and maintain resource stability. Firstly, pricing decisions. Production costs are used as the basis for determining selling price. Products with higher production costs require higher selling price to maintain profitability. For example, chocolate chip cookies are sold at a premium price due to higher ingredient and labor costs. Butter cookies are offered at a competitive price, while red velvet cookies are positioned as a premium product for trend-conscious consumers. This helps prevent underpricing and ensure all production costs are recovered. Next is profit planning. Costing information helps management forecast future sales, estimate profit margin, and prepare realistic budgets. It also supports business growth by helping the company introduce new products, expand production capacity, and invest in technology. This effort contributes to long-term profitability and business stability. Next is cost control. Costing information helps Crunchy Bite Co. reduce unnecessary expenses. The company can purchase raw material in bulk, negotiate better supplier price, and minimize production waste. Management can also monitor utility costs, maintain mission regularly, and improve resource allocations to increase efficiency. As a result, the company can lower production costs and improve profit margins. Lastly, production efficiency. Costing information helps management improve production process by identifying bottlenecks, reducing waste, and maximizing the use of labor and machinery. As a result, Crunchy Bite Co can increase productivity, lower operating costs, and maintain consistent product quality. In conclusion, Managerial decision analysis help the company improve profitability, efficiency, and long-term business stability.
Good day everyone. In this section, I will present the future business planning for Crunchy Bite Co. To ensure long-term growth and competitiveness, the company's strategy plan focuses on three main areas, which is cost effectiveness, market expansion, and also operational excellence. In the competitive cookie industry, it is important for the company to continuously improve while maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. First is cost reduction strategies. Crunchy Bite Co. should purchase raw materials such as flour, sugar, and chocolate chips in bulk. This allows the company to benefit from supplier discounts and also economics of scale, which will reduce overall production cost. Next, the company should invest in energy efficient baking equipment. This helps reduce electricity usage and lower utility cost in the long term while supporting more sustainable operation. In addition, the company should reduce production waste by improving inventory management and also production planning. Regular quality checks can help minimize spoilage and defective product. Lastly, the use of semi-automated packaging system can reduce labor cost while improving packaging speed and also ensuring consistent product quality. Next is market expansion. Crunchy Bite Co. should utilize digital marketing and e-commerce platforms such as Shopee and TikTok Shop to reach a wider audience and increase online sales. The company can also explore regional expansion, especially into neighboring countries like Singapore, to increase revenue sources and brand exposure. In addition, introducing seasonal products such as Hari Raya and Christmas cookie collection can help increase sales during festive season. Finally, forming partnership with cafes, supermarket, and also convenience stores can improve product distribution and make the brand more accessible to customers. Lastly, operational improvement. The company should implement an effective inventory control system to maintain optimal stock levels, reduce holding costs, and prevent overproduction or shortage. Employee training and development is also important to improve skills, increase productivity, and reduce operational errors. The use of modern baking technology can improve production efficiency, reduce production time, and increase output capacity. Finally, strong quality control measures at every stage of production are important to ensure the consistent of product quality and maintain customer trust.
Hi everyone, I will present the costing method used by Crunchy Bite Corporation. First, there are three costing methods: job order costing, activity-based costing, ABC, and process costing. Job order costing gives detailed cost information, but it takes more time and requires more records. ABC provide accurate overhead calculation, but it is more complicated and costly to use. Process costing is simple, efficient, and suitable for mass production. It calculates the average cost of product. For Crunchy Bite and Corporation, process costing is the best method because the company produces cookies continually and in the largest quantities. The production process is the same for all products, from missing ingredient to packaging. Process costing helps the company calculate cost easily, plan production control expenses, and make better business decisions. It also improves efficiency and support future business growth. In conclusion, process costing is the most suitable costing method for Crunchy Bite and Corporation because it is simple, practical, and effective. Thank you. That's all from my group.